This is the mechanical space for this high velocity system. This is a 2-zone hydronic high velocity air handler. You can see the 2-zone dampers there. The hydronic coil on the top there is piped back to the client's boiler. The boiler was new enough that it was still worth using as a second stage or alternate heat source. On the right is the cooling coil. That connects to the heat pump outside. So in this case, the primary source of heat is the heat pump outside. Like I said, we used the boiler as a second heat source. So in very cold weather, or if there's a problem with the heat pump, the client has the option of turning the boiler on. And then you have the Honeywell filter and the zone control. Now, we were talking about noise previously. You can see flexible duct in here. And that flexible duct goes up into connections that go through the roof that are all rigid metal piping. That's helping us a lot with sound control. So you can see there, it looks a little odd, but there's an intentional loop in the ducting there to absorb noise from this high velocity air handler. Again, that allowed us to keep the ducting profile very low on the roof. As a result, we have a very low profile system that fits in the iClear home format while still providing complete heating and cooling for the entire house. And in this case, it's zoned, so all of the bedrooms have one thermostat, and there's a separate thermostat for the rest of the house. In the end, this has worked out really well.